Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hi aspirants, I am Saravanan Radhakrishnan. Let me introduce Zypul's Academy Vision and Mission and how these can be helpful to you to shape your career in terms of your passion to pave the pathway for your success journey in the digital space. Before we start, let me share 3 pointers about the future jobs and trend from the World Economic Forum. The workforce automation is getting faster, displacing 85 million jobs in next 5 years of the time, as this is view is obtained on October 2020. The robot will create 97 million new jobs, and analytical thinking, creativity, flexibility will be the top skills, with data and artificial intelligence, content creation, and cloud computing the top emerging profession. These findings adds fuel to our passion creating next gen business information system community, that's BIS community, with the mission of helping millions to create billions by knowing the customers and the cost, thereby raise their profitability. So, with this, what is in it for the aspirants like you in the information technology who admired and graduated to pursue IT career as a passion? We are here to enhance the possibility and the competencies to shape your career path and power the greatest pathway for your success destiny. Let's see how and what. Through industrial internship program on the business system automation, handholding for lifelong till you decide to take off on your own. So these are the two aspects. Now you must be wondering which one to choose. The choice is yours. Either you can be functional or technical, or even you can be combination of both, techno-functional. So what is functional? Digitizing the business legacy, that is operations workflow in the convergent focus to help the business to act in responsive and proactive manner on every instances. What is technical? Technical is customizing, integrating the business operations workflow through coding, negotiating across each other like IoT, machine learning, artificial intelligence, API, cloud computing, blockchain, and so on and so forth. So, you heard me right. Yes, functional and technical are two broad channels of learnings. These learnings are further classified into three categories. That's one is gold, diamond, and platinum. Certifications with respect to learning periods of 6, 12, and 18 weeks. All these business system automation learnings are based on the most popular global ERP package, that is SAP Business One. The learning categories, as I said earlier, basic functional is gold certification. Advanced functional is diamond certifications. Intensive functional is platinum certifications. Advanced technical is diamond certification. Intensive technical is platinum certifications. So you got 5 levels, 5 categories. You can choose which one you want to be. By end of this internship, you will be of competent on par with 2 years of experienced candidates in the market. This means you will be able to ace the interview, best business communication practitioner, be proactive in understanding and interpreting the organization needs, creative, agile solutionist, industry conducive contributor, integrating the organization needs and solutions as a business solutionist in SAP Business One platform. Talent needs in the SAP Business One, the job market, let's look at it. You got an opportunity to work on functional consultancy as premises or with the end users in organizations or implementation partners, project leads, delivery leads, project manager, be a technical consultant or a technical lead or a technical head, Either you can be an employee or a freelancer or an entrepreneur to offer these solutions as service to the business of various verticals, be it be of discrete manufacturing or process industry or trading or point of sales and etc. So let's catch up on the next session. How about the internship impacts the career? Wishing you all the best. Good luck. See you soon. Thank you.